Here's little Fig. We're taking our pony walk. He loves his pony walks. He's really like a big dog. I know, you're very ambitious about your walks. Very good boy. Good boy, Figgy. The first time we've been right up against the main road. There's lots of semis and stuff, and Figgy don't care. He's a pretty cool dude. Alright, so let's graze by the road. What do you think? You're pretty with the flowers, Bubs. Good boy, Fig. You're pretty. I know, it's buggy. Alright, let's head back, Bubs. Good boy. He's a good boy.